Hey, what's up? So you've decided to plan a Disney vacation. Are you going to stay on or off property? If you travel into Disney from a resort off property, you will only be able to get in at the designated opening time and not be able to take advantage of extra magic hours. It could take you approximately 45 to 55 minutes to get into the Magic Kingdom Park from the time you park in the parking lot. If you stay on Disney property at one of the resorts, you will get advantages like extra magic hours to go in early or stay late. To get around the parks, expect to walk 4 to 6 miles per day. You still won't see everything. You can carry your little ones around all day or use a stroller. You can rent or take one in. You have to park the stroller in designated parking spots if you want to ride the rides, and that equals extra time spent. Yes, it takes a little time to travel back to your resort from a park during the day, but it's also a bit much to spend 12 to 14 hours straight in a Disney park. If you try and do 4 parks in 4 days, that is a lot. Don't be afraid to schedule some breaks. It may take a 7-day trip to allow for travel and days off from parks. There's lots to do around the resorts. There are designated smoking areas inside the Disney property. Generally, the transportation lines are longest first thing in the morning and in the evening right before the shows. If you leave and come back around the middle of the day, the lines are typically not bad. If you take a bag, they will search it when you enter the park. If you don't have a bag, you can go through a different line and get in quicker past security. If you get to the parks early, consider coming back to your resort midday for a snack or a swim, then head back to the park for the evening rides and shows. Don't forget to add extra time if you are taking a boat or bus back to one of the parks. Put your phone or smartwatch on battery saver mode so the battery lasts all day. You can take a phone charger in the event that you find an outlet to plug into. Make sure you reserve your fast passes ahead of time because they fill up quickly. Dress in layers. It can get cool at night. You will encounter lines for just about anything, so don't be too ambitious as to what you want to accomplish. If you plan your fast passes accordingly, that will help. Be nice to cast members. They usually have a good sense of humor as well. You can take snacks and drinks into the parks. I'm talking like bottled water, fruit snacks, or maybe sandwiches. If you get the dining plan, it's definitely worth it. Sit-down dining is a nice break, but takes up time. You spend a lot of your time worrying about getting to your reservation on time. Property transportation is plentiful, but crowded. Take an Uber. Busiest times are around 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Parks are generally crowded and people will walk, turn, stop right in front of you. Be prepared to stop and be evasive. If you have to stop, be courteous and move over to the side. The parks are huge, so don't expect to see everything in one day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.